Take a look at this super cool candle. This was made by a company called the Fury Brothers, and it's kind of like a retro style brand. You can see that in their packaging. So this is a soy wax blend with natural oil candles. This was made in Hell's Kitchen, New York. This particular candle is Kentucky bourbon and oak. So tell me that doesn't sound great. It actually smells wonderful in my office. But I just love the old school retro styling. This is the Lexington, and you've got the old font. It kind of reminds me of an old oil can, and the candle itself is in an old paint can. So, old oil or paint, whatever. It kind of goes with the retro feel that I really enjoy. But they have a ton of different scents of candles. All of them have their own unique, again, that retro styling to it. Just a really quality candle that isn't going to break the bank. And it's perfect for that person in your life that's got a masculine office, or they've got some automobilia kicking around. This would be perfect in that setting. Just a great gift for somebody in your life. You can't quite figure out what to get them, but they kind of fit that old school vibe. Now they also have some solid colognes in this neat little tin rather, and you can just carry this around in your pocket when you notice maybe your scent's wearing off a little bit. Rub a little bit on there, and this one's terrific too. This one is Campfire and Fresh Cut Tobacco. I love the names that they've done. Now, they did send me both of these to check out, and I've been really impressed, and I've looked into their company more and more as I go, because just a really, really cool brand. Love their branding. Everything about them is really neat. Make sure you check them out. These candles are by Fury Brothers. And again, don't forget to check out their solid colognes. They've also got kind of a mix match of different scents along with that as well. So fantastic candle. Check it out.